So in today's video, I'm actually down here at Mission Beach Boardwalk, and I'm right in front of actually Belmont Park. So check the boardwalk out here. It is absolutely insane.
So we walk back that way.
How was the weather this morning? So this is the right in front of actually Belmont Park. So it's a pretty nice day. It's Saturday, so it's pretty busy. And it's actually right by this famous Belmont Park, which is pretty cool. So check this out. Let's see what we got here. Monster waffle cone, $8.50. And the beach is pretty busy too. So a nice walk down the boardwalk. Hey, but you know what's funny about it is, it's sunny further inland, but when you come out here to the beach, you got this marine layer, so check it out. The beach is really big. So here I am. I'm not far, right next to Belmont Park, and I'm on actually Ventura. Look how busy it is. This is right here at the cul-de-sac, and then you can see the roller coaster there in the distance. And we'll take a walk down Ventura and check that out and see what's going on there. Pretty busy beach scene out there. Check out the beach. See how on a Saturday afternoon on a 3-day weekend. I got a low-flying airplane out there. I'm gonna take a walk, and it's right here at Ventura. Here at Mission Beach Boardwalk. You can see it right there. Check it out. Let's see, what do we got going? This is what? Hamels? So this is kind of the main area. You can see the roller coaster over there? I've never rode that thing. One day I just gotta go ride that. I mean, it just looks really cool. And everything. So look at all these t-shirts. Certainly got enough of those, don't they? Very cool. So continuing down Ventura, and look at this. You can see that roller coaster there in the background. And I've never been on that Belmont Park roller coaster, but it looks awful cool over there. Let's see, what do we got over here? That looks good, whatever it is. See what the price is here. Okay, so if you get a barbecue feast, party of two,
I wouldn't even notice if I tied it to her.
$38.95. Chicken tenders, $15.95. So that'll give you an idea how much it costs here. Oh, look at that roller! I gotta show you this roller coaster. We'll walk to the other side. Mexican food right here. Look at this one. Try that one. There it is. Very cool. Got some big dogs.
Then turn right.
That's what they call some big Harleys. Coming from. That's one heck of a motorcycle. That's some power right there. These guys are loud, man. They're good though. I love these Harleys though. Very, very cool. Must be a motorcycle club. Got some vendor action. Wow, beautiful. Beautiful section, man. So right behind me are these really cool motorcycles. Check them out. So continuing down the boardwalk, actually heading south now. So check this out. This is probably the busiest area. Look at the beach. Absolutely cool. Very nice. I mean, the beach is just packed. 3-day weekend, what can you say? So look at this place. It's up here. It's called the Cannonball. Now, I don't know what it is, but look at this. There it is. Not sure what that is, but it's awful cool, man. A lot of bikes around. I didn't realize how busy it really got down here. This is actually busier than Pacific Beach Boardwalk. Of course, maybe today it's busier up there, but this is further south. So I'm actually right here in front of this bar. I think it's called the, it looks like the Draft, and it's right here in front of the beach. I mean, if you want a good lookout, right here, check this out. You got some police here patrolling. But look at this. So you got this area on the boardwalk, and then you can come right down here to the beach. Very nice. Even though it's foggy, you got the marine layer out there, it's still really beautiful down here. So thank you very much for following along. This is the end of this video of my tour of Mission Beach Boardwalk down here by Belmont Park. Actually got to go inside Belmont Park. I didn't do any of the rides, but maybe another time. But it's really busy out today, and it's really cool. And you know, if you like this video, please consider subscribing, give it a like, really helps my channel out. And this is a lasting shot of the boardwalk. That is north, and swinging around, and that is south. So